My name is Ankunda Kariisa. I'm a graduate student at UNC Chapel Hill, and I study Vibrio cholera, which is the causative agent of the disease cholera. I grew up in West Africa, and my family's from East Africa, so I do know people that have succumbed to other types of infectious diseases, such as malaria, HIV. I got into science during undergrad. I was a physiology and pharmacology major, and I really enjoyed science, but I didn't really know if I was going to be interested in doing research. But I had a really supportive and encouraging mentor, and I think she got me excited about it, and she made me feel like I was capable of doing the work, and so I think that was probably really seminal in getting me to this point. My interest in coming into this field specifically was that I do know sort of the burden of infectious diseases, especially in the developing world. Cholera it's caused by a bacterium called Vibrio cholera, and it's a bacterium that can enter your stomach or your small intestine once you drink contaminated food or water, and it can cause disease. And the disease that it usually causes, the most severe case, is this watery diarrhea. So it's really bad because it causes you to shed a lot of water, liters of water, after the bacteria is in your small intestine. This can lead to severe dehydration and then can lead to death within several hours. So it's really a devastating disease. Usually people who get infected are people that don't have access to clean water or that are in places that have poor health infrastructure. I really do enjoy working on cholera. I'm interested particularly in one protein that's made by the bacteria and that is important for binding the cells in the small intestine, and then also important for causing disease downstream.
Is it possible that
I do a lot of genetics, so I make a lot of mutations. So basically that's just taking genes off of the chromosome or putting genes onto the chromosome. One of the things, for instance, I'm interested in is if I grow bacteria on different nutrient sources, how does it behave? I've shown that, depending on the type of nutrition you feed the bacteria, it actually exhibits different behaviors. And so it knows what it's growing on, and it knows how it needs to respond to what it's growing on. Ultimately, I just kind of want to give more information about the bug, and if we can anticipate the actions of the bacteria, then we can better combat disease and outbreaks. I think what I've done that's worked for me is to follow my gut and follow my instinct, and if something feels right, go with it. In the end, I'm really happy that I did that, and I grew tremendously, and I don't think I would have had the chance to grow this way if I had done something that I wasn't passionate about. So I think science is great because it brings everybody together, it puts everybody on the same page, and it doesn't matter where you come from, like you're able to really participate in this, and it's a great field, and it's a lot of fun.